First of all, you're going to click on the send icon in the middle bottom of the screen. Once here, you can choose how you want your money to arrive. That's mobile money account, bank account, or to another Nala user's wallet. Now let's add the details of the person you wish to send money to and create a new recipient. You can also enable your phone contacts to choose a recipient from your contact list. Great. Now key in the amount you wish to send and it will show what they'll receive. In this case, I'm going to send her £10. Now, let's select the payment method. First up, let's try the card option. I'll proceed to add my card details and just cross-check to ensure that they're correct. Perfect. You have many cards? No problem. Remember, you can add up to 3 cards at a time on the app and can remove or replace them as many times as you like. So, take a moment to go through the recipient details and confirm the amount you're sending. Everything looks good. Once you're comfortable with the details, you can go ahead and click send. There you have it. You've successfully sent money on that.